Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create Nextplus account and obtain a US phone number for SMS verification. Firstly, download and install the Nextplus app from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Open the app, then tap on Sign Up. Enter your basic personal details such as email address, username and password to create an account, then verify your account via the email or confirmation link provided. Once your account is set up, the app will assign you a US phone number. To customize your number, tap Select your state and choose a US state from the menu, for example California or Texas. Select an area code, then get a custom number to generate your unique US phone number. This number can now be used for SMS verifications, short calls, and as contact for local or international purposes. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.